Remove the power output wire. Unscrew the two bolts. Unscrew the 4 bolts on the panel. Turn the panel slightly and remove the 4 nuts outside the metal cover. Remove the metal cover and take out the output wire. Remove the wire between the DC controller and the ESC controller. Unscrew the 4 nuts on the ESC controller and take out the ESC controller. Replace with the new ESC controller. Tighten the 4 nuts. Reinstall the wire between DC controller and ESC controller, the wire sequences shown in the figure. Install the output wire, note the positive and negative poles. First fix the two bolts of the output wire. Then tighten the positive and negative poles bolts of the output wire. The wire sequence is shown in the figure. Plug the signal wire back in. Put the metal cover back on and tighten the 4 nuts. Reinstall the panel and tighten the panel bolts. Tighten the two bolts of the output wire. At this time, ESC controller replacement is over.